Hello there, this is Retro Toy Rebuild. This show is going to be showing everybody how to fix and replace parts on your G1 Voltrons. The ones in front of you are 1981. I've been working on these for about a month now. It's hard to get parts for them. So basically it's a show about the do's and do-nots of how to fix your Voltrons and other G1 toys from the 80s. Later this week we will be doing a unboxing of some new, well not new, they're from the 80s too, but some new items that we'll be restoring. Maybe some Voltron 2s and some Voltron 1s. And maybe a G1 Skyfire Transformer. And we'll take it from there. These are going to be slow-moving, slow-based films. Short films on tips and tricks to fixing your Voltrons and other G1 toys. So stay tuned, and within the week we should have another video. Thank you. See you next time.